Hey guys, welcome back to the video, welcome back to the vlog. In today's reviewing video, it will basically, it's a small one. It's about a mouse mat and basically what's the best one to buy that isn't going to break the bank, that isn't going to cost an arm and a leg basically. And so yeah, with one of the other designs, which is also the Blackweb. Yeah, this looks really cool. Obviously it's all sealed up and has 7 different colors and 3 different lighting colors, so obviously you can set it to illuminate different settings in different ways. And as obviously it's a non-slip, so you know your mouse mat isn't going to go away. It gives you it's up, basically it just tells you exactly everything, yeah, all over there basically. The finishing touches to your gaming experience, made for speed and precision control, non-slip rubber base, stays firmly in place, and so on. So this does look like the real deal. So once again, but no, I mean, I think it looks quite badass, and I mean, I think I paid something like 15 pounds maybe. So again, it's not a great deal of money, and for what you're getting, it's actually really not bad. And it's obviously you plug it into a USB, so it's USB function. It also tells you on the outside of the box, as you can see, it has a little USB logo over there. So it comes really well packaged. They did a good job packaging. Well done to Blackweb for that. And so it comes basically, guys. You obviously get the manual, which we don't really need because it's not exactly rocket science, but yeah, that's what you get, which is really nice. And it's cool because the LED runs all across the strip. You can actually tell there's LED because it's actually kind of see-through, so it runs across the strip, sits there nicely. You got like, it's probably like a bubbly feeling on the bottom of the surface. Really nice, not bad at all. But they say it's a non-slip. Now I've got a wooden desktop, so it looks like, I'm gonna turn the camera down so you guys can see. Now for me it looks like it does slip though. Now this is obviously on the side it's meant to be on, because you can tell by the name Blackweb. Now it slides, but this is obviously a wood finish. Now I don't know how it will be on a more, let me just get there you go, on a more flat and a more smoother finish. It could be something, it could be slightly different. But again, I mean, I've got a wireless mouse. 1 second. There we go. Now obviously, as you may have known about this mouse, this is obviously the one to do a review on. Yeah, again, let me just do a quick little show you guys. Now that's me moving it. Yeah, so yeah, it seems to be alright though. Could be fine. It doesn't seem to move. Once it sits in place, it seems to be alright. But nevertheless, let's check out the different settings for the. That's actually quite cool as well. You get a fairly decent length of USB cable. It's not very short. So as you can see, that's like literally from. That's across my arm, and I've still got plenty of I've still got about, I don't know, a fair bit of length. Still got so much left because it actually just dips down. So you definitely got a lot of space wise, if you want to stretch for anyway. So obviously you plug it into the back over there, just like a conventional thingy, which is quite handy because it gives me a chance to set it all up as well, which I don't have to move many things around. So let's put this into my PC. Wow, that's stunning. I like that. Really bright. really bright, as you can see.
Good night.
Good night. As you can see, that's really bright. I like that. Let's try different colors. Green, just by a click of a button. Blue, purple, like a really sea blue. That's like a greeny yellow. Lighter blue. That's more of like an ice blue, I would call it. And then red again. Obviously, and then then obviously it changes, like it flickers. So that's what it would look like then. Let me just bring the camera a bit more close so you guys can see. And then again, it's like a wavy color, and then it sets itself back, so you got all of them colors, and it changes, it flickers like that, and then it has like a flash. So the first one was like a very slow, and then you got the second one, and then you got like a wavy type of color. So yeah, so there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this little mouse mat in any way, shape or form, if you did, smack a like, comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this video. If you did like it, don't forget to comment on this video as well, as I always appreciate it. So yeah, I think it's about £15 I paid for it, which is really not bad. The price isn't on here, but nevertheless, I'm happy with it. It seems to do the job really well. Really impressed with it. I may replace it with the one I've got now, which is actually the Razor one, but it doesn't light up. But nevertheless, guys, if you did like it, you know what to do. Smack a like, guys. Comment down below. Don't forget to share with your friends if anyone is interested in this type of, a little video. Anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I'm out. Peace.